party either because of disentitlement or disproportionality? If so, how can this be resolved? So these are the...
Can I just ask a few clarifications?
Ji.
In one, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In two, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In three, you mentioned political party. And in four, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the three terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where, because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the two terms?
Yes, in one of the provisions, 63A, sir.
So I know why you use two terms differently.
Yes, because...
No, because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no because.
Ji.
Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
Ji.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law, we have to be very precise. So please, should I delete the word political party?
आप कर दें, बिल्कुल.
No, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी, आप कर दें.
Okay.
This is only
there is no term parliamentary political party in the Constitution.
Ji.
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
Ji.
And please refer to the two terms where they've been used in the Constitution.
63A.
This is parliamentary party.
Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party...
What does this mean, parliamentary party, as opposed to a political party?
You can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one, but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but
no,
we did not.
After the elections, 8th of February ko aap kya the?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independents joined, you became a parliamentary party?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
जी.
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
वो आपको बता देते.
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी.
Sir, अभी बता देता हूँ. I'll just tell.
A lot will flow from that.
I don't think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and your head, may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the answer.
You don't know the head of your own political party?
My lord, I don't have the name right now.
You're a petitioner.
No, sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
पार्लियामेंट्री हेड असेंबली में कौन है वो पूछ
सर वो अभी
नाम आपके पिटीशन में लिखा है
साहबजादा
पिटीशनर जो है साहबजादा वो हेड ऑफ
सर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हेड हैं जी नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी
इनका क्या कोई इलेक्शन होता है पार्लियामेंट्री हेड का क्या प्रोसीजर होता है हाउ डू यू डिटरमिन इन अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हु इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री हेड
आई थिंक
पार्टी हेड हाउ डू यू डू
आई थिंक देयर इज एन इंटरनल इलेक्शन
do you have to notify does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that the answer
you have to inform the speaker. What do?
You of course inform the speaker, sir, but I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No, I'm saying it's simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, political parties का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी?
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टीज का बताया हमें. दूसरा टर्म है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?